Very important tab where you are having summarization techniques like constant line, average line, median. So many things are there. Based on requirement, you can take a call which line you want to go for. Let's start with the constant line. So if you want to make a straight constant line in your table, or you can say in visualization, you can drag the constant line. To drag, there is a number. So if you want to change, you can change the number. The line will be shifted there only. So you can format the line if needed. Format, then line style, and say color, and that's okay. Done. So if you want average line to be drawn, you can drag the average line. In the option, we are having table label. Then in that case, we'll be having single line for entire visualization. If you are looking, I'm not looking for table level. I want looking for pan level. It means I'm category level. I want average to be drawn. You are still not sure that then you can go cell wise. It means bar wise you are going for. Making bar wise average doesn't make sense. So let's keep it pan wise. It's again group wise. So here group is with furniture, office supply, and technology. We'll be getting separate line for furniture, separate line for technology, and separate line for other things, office supplies and all. So that's a case available. Similarly, median quadrants you can also drag. Model is there if you want to go for 95% coefficient interval data to be plotted. Then you can take it. I prefer you should go with customs other than this. Here you have much control on your side. Let me remove all these lines. Done. Let me go for custom references. The reference line can be table based. Now it will give you one pop-up where you do have option of doing it pan wise and cell wise. If you want to go for table wise, you can go for the area option key. I am looking for maximum, minimum, whatever data is there. You can choose the data because currently we are on table wise. So whatever you do, you will apply on complete visualizations. It will not consider on subgrouping all. So label computation is there. By default, computation is there. This minimum is displayed. I want in place of minimum, I want value to be displayed. Now it's 122 dot or comma 459. If you say I'm looking for custom to be plotted, I say computation space, then I require value to be displayed. Now it's a minimum space the value. Then if you change it to say average, then value. So custom would be better if you want label and value both should be there on your chart. And then you are looking for line only or line or coefficient interval only. Depending on case, you take a call. So I'm currently going for line wise. Line thickness you can do plus minus if needed. Then color you can change as required. Then if you are looking for the subgrouping to be done based on the subcategories of category, so furniture, office supply and others are having individual lines, then you can go for pan wise. If you are looking for individual cell wise, bar wise to be done, then you can take it. Currently we are not looking for this. First two cases are good to go. Either you can go for table wise or you can go for pan wise. So if you I say okay. If you go for band again table wise and other cases are option available. So band is there. So table wise you're saying ki table wise I'm getting a band of some data value. Band is from minimum to maximum. I say let it be average to maximum. So it is from average to maximum. So depending on it, you can take it call which band you want to showcase on. I say let it be minimum to average. And color you can decide if you are looking for some specific color to shown on the respective selection area. Then same thing is available for pan also. Other than going for table wise visualization, I'll go for grouping visualization. I'll go for furniture separate, office supply separate, and technology separate. Cell wise is there, but it doesn't make sense because in our data it's more or less a table and the pan is good to go. And third one is their distribution band. Either you can select it from next to the reference band, or you can choose in distribution. And in distribution, you are having things to go. Say currently showing for 60 and 80% of minimum. You can say 60 and 80%. I say it offer a sum of sale, or you say average of sale, or if you are looking for percentile term, for a quartiles term. So I am looking for say third quartiles, or if you say I'm looking for some other things, you can verify surrender vision. If you want to show surrender vision, what is the surrender vision available, you can go for plus minus 3. Plus minus 3 is the best value which you can go to validate your outliers if needed. So I'm going for normal percentage. Say I'll go for 50, 75 and 100. If you are looking for distribution, you will be getting distribution accordingly. 50, see, first distribution 50 to 75, then 75 to 100 is there. Depending on colors, you can decide which color you want to be taken as a area. So lines are there, which you can choose lines based on your need. Color of line can be decided further. Fill above is there, fill below is there, semantic is there. Depending on need, you choose it. We prefer this distribution when you have threshold to be customized. So by default in band we are having two validation where we can define a minimum and maximum value. In distribution you can use even the percentage also. And computation to be shown or value to be shown, you can decide. If you think any custom to be there, I say along with computation I want value to be there. So you can take a call which depending on your requirement. Generally we prefer computation value to be there on plotting. Box plot if you are having any data which is going to be there, but for our case it is not required. Let me reuse it. Line, if you have straight line, table wise or pen wise, both are option available. Then band is there if you have threshold limits there with you, minimum to whatever you are selected. Distribution, there we have custom limit on base of percentage or percentile or standard deviation or quartiles are there. All three are good to go. Depending on need, you can plan.